Okay, let's do an example here. Let's imagine you're turning a corner. So you're in your car and you're going around a corner. And to make the math easy, let's say that as you're going around the corner here, that it acts like a fraction of a circle of radius 65 feet. Okay. And you want to go around without your passengers feeling as if you're going too quickly. And so you get a passenger that doesn't like to go around curves sharply. And so the biggest acceleration that is tolerable to this person is 0.1 g lateral acceleration. And they go around faster than that, they feel like they're leaning over and they don't like it. Okay. So be kind of like my mother-in-law, and so she didn't like me to turn corners any faster than that. And so what we want to do is figure out what maximum speed can you go around the curve without exceeding that centripetal acceleration. So we know the centripetal acceleration is v squared over r. Well, this is 0.1 g equals v squared over r. So v equals square root of 0.1 gr. Okay, so we just plug in numbers right here. So this is 0.1, okay, r is 65 feet, so we need to do 32.2 feet per second squared here. Okay, so you look at this, we get feet per second squared, times feet is feet squared over second squared. Take the square root, that's feet per second. Again, we want to make sure that we're matching units. That's why I'm doing so many of these British imperial unit problems, to make you remember G is not always 9.81. G is what it needs to be to make the units work out right. So in this case, this turns out to be 14.5 feet per second. Okay. Well, we normally think about speeds, you have an idea what 14.5 feet per second is, but what is that in miles per hour? Because that's what your speedometer says. So 14.5 feet per second, okay, and let's multiply. There's 3,600 seconds in 1 hour, so that cancels the seconds. And we know that 1 mile equals 5,280 feet, so that cancels feet, and so the answer comes out in miles per hour, and that comes out to be 9.86 miles per hour. Okay, so that's how fast you have to go around that curve so that that particular passenger is not uncomfortable.